sir. Sige.
Go.
Afternoon na rin.
Afternoon. Sige, go.
Afternoon, Kuya Noel. Here to ask questions about drug abuse. What is drug abuse for you?
Drug abuse, it is simple. It's actually those people who are taking illegal drugs to ensure or to make themselves mentally or physically be alert but in the wrong way. So that's drug abuse for me. And then something that for them that they will always have to take, but they don't know that there's already side effects in the way they live with their friends or the way they mingle with society, and could cause also cause also other effects such as crimes that they will have to commit.
In what ways can you prevent?
Yeah, to prevent drug abuse is simple. I'm a father of 4 kids, so I think it has to start when our children are growing up. So you have to make sure that as parents, you have to be there with them, for them, and then at the same time, you always have to ensure that you understand their needs and you explain to them what life is all about. And then little by little, you also introduce to them the things which are good and also the things which are bad. So sometimes television shows really help. So if you are watching, say for example, shows which are related to, for example, crimes, or let's say for example drug abuse to be specific, then you have to be there with them to guide them, and in case they will have questions, you will be there to readily answer them. But at least as much as possible, you have to show that love, and then as parents or as part of their family, you always have to be there for them whatever problems they have or whatever it is that they need in life.
Thank you, sir. Kuya Noel, for